welcome to my pizza. Do you have breast milk and still giving formula milk? And you have a confusion, can I mix breast milk and formula milk? If I can, how do I? If I'm giving my child breast milk and formula milk both, how do I give it? How much gap should be there between breast milk and formula milk? Oof, being a mother, we got so many questions, right? Let me answer a few of the basic things for you. When mother's milk is not enough or mother's milk is not sufficient, what we need help of formula milk. Please do not go by cow milk or any animal milk because that's not right for your child. So we have to stick to something that is very, very specific, that I am supposed to give breast milk to my child how much I have. If my breast milk is less, remaining I have to compensate with formula milk. Sure, I don't have breast milk at all. Usually that's never the case. You will have few drops, you will have 5 ml. Is 5 ml enough? 5 ml of breast milk will have 3.5 lakh of antibodies for your child. So I'm going to make things very simple for you. Do you want to give breast milk and formula milk both to your child? Let's understand how. Number one, you are breastfeeding your child. So you will breastfeed your child, definitely not more than 25 to 30 minutes. Once you have done breastfeeding, if you still feel your child is hungry, you can give formula milk to your child, probably 30 to 50 ml. Do not give more than that, otherwise your child will not actively breastfeed because your child knows I'm going to get formula milk. Sure, there should be gap between breastfeeding and formula milk. So people does that mistake. They will breastfeed the child. They'll wait for 45 minutes and then give formula milk. Then why are you giving formula? After 45 minutes you can breastfeed again. The child don't need formula. No, Shreya, only in 45 minutes my child is getting up. That means my milk is less. No, I have breastfeeded every 45 minutes for 6 months. So this is absolutely okay. So breastfeed, 45 minutes, again breastfeed. Breastfeed, but I feel my child is still hungry, then you give formula. What do you mean by I feel? My child is doing this. No sign. This is not the sign of hunger. My child is doing this. This is not the sign of hunger. If you feel my child has not gained weight properly or my child's P count is less than 5, then after every breastfeeding session, you will give formula. Second option, you have been pressing your breast and you know there is no milk, or you have pumped and you know there is only 5 to 7 ml of milk. Then what do you do? Before giving formula, you give breast milk to your child, either a expressed milk or a direct milk. You give it to your child, you know it's 5 ml to 10 ml, right? You give that, and remaining entire quantity or the requirement, you will give formula. Sure, how much formula milk my child need? Wait, we have done video on it. I'm linking that video over here. Check it out. Age-wise guide, how much formula milk your child need. Third option, Shreya, I pump 4 times in a day. I have 600 ml of milk. Then how do I calculate formula milk? Very simple. You have to pump 8 times in a day. So I have pumped 7 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock feed, you will give first pumped milk and then remaining formula milk. Then you will again pump at 8:30. That milk you will offer at 10 o'clock feed. So you don't have to store breast milk. Second thing, you have to remember that in same bottle, you cannot mix breast milk and formula milk. Total 70 ml, give it to baby. Not allowed. So first you will give breast milk. Then you will not wait for half an hour, 45 minutes. You will give formula milk and you will finish total quantity of the child. Shreya, but if I'm breastfeeding and I don't understand how much milk is going from here, how do I know? Simple thing. You give breast milk or breastfeeding, then you give formula milk, your child puke, entire thing out. Overfeeding. You have to reduce quantity by 10 ml. Second thing, you have to work on the position of the child. Whenever you are giving formula milk, preferably give formula milk either in a 45-degree position or a 90-degree sitting position to your child. Don't make your child sleep and put the bottle inside because that will make overfeed and the child will puke everything. Second very important confusion that a lot of couples have is that, Shreya, I breastfeed my child for 2 hours and then I give 100 ml of formula. See, your child is 1 month old. Total requirement is 100 ml. Then what you are doing for 2 hours? Your child is doing time pass. So for your satisfaction, you are breastfeeding. So for all of you, breastfeeding duration should not exceed more than 30 minutes. If you are giving formula milk to your child, you should pump at least 8 to 10 times in 24 hours. Whatever you have pumped, you will store it outside. You can store breast milk for 5 hours outside in normal room temperature between 21 to 26 degrees. So you need to store it outside. So you have pumped at 7 o'clock, you will offer it next feed. You have pumped at 8:30, you will offer it next feed. So in a day, start pumping every 1.5 to 2 hourly. Gap should not be more than this. Night pumping can be twice. So whenever you want to give breast milk and formula milk, don't club it. When it's breastfeeding and formula milk, judge it. When it comes to expressed milk and formula milk, ensure that it's given back to back, not with the gap. So these are few basic things that you have to remember when you're offering your child formula milk and breast milk both. Do not worry. So is it actually possible to stop formula milk ever and shift my child to breast milk? Oh, what is not possible? Everything is possible. If you need my help in this journey, get in touch with us to book a personal consultation on myanduja.com. One more thing all of you should remember. If this entire video made even a little sense to you and you feel this video has been helpful, do subscribe to the channel. Like, comment and do tell us where do you feel we can improve and we can do some more videos which can help you that we become your motherhood partner. Loving you all so much. Have a great day.